Welcome, I am Trish and this is Trish Talks, and on this channel I cover all things related to decorating and maintaining your home and garden. On today's video I'll be giving you some fantastic tips on how to style one of the most visible focal points in a room, your coffee table. Yes, sometimes we forget about how much of an impact the coffee table can have on the overall decor. Let's fix that. Now, if you need to know how to select the perfect coffee table for your space, that's a different video. And I'll be happy to create that video for you. Just leave a comment in the section below and I'll be happy to get started on that. But for right now, let's make your existing coffee table beautiful. This is going to be a lot of fun, so let's get started. Style tip number 1, grab a tray. Trays are used on coffee tables that are all shapes and sizes. The trays themselves can be made of metal, wood, plastic, or natural fibers. Trays are great because they can corral many smaller items into one unified presentation. They are particularly useful when used on an ottoman. You can pull together all of your favorite pieces without worrying about them falling off. Remember, a tray should never cover up the entire table. You'd want to leave space for perhaps more decorative items or somewhere for you or your guests to place their drinks down, or better yet, if you just want to kick up your feet, they have a little space to do that. Style tip number 2, showcase your book collection. Perhaps you have a collection of books on fashion, interior design, or photography. Or maybe it's a stack of books with covers in similar colors. Either way, a stack of books on a table architecturally grounds the table, creates a focal point, and can become the foundation for other decorative items. I like to use books that I know that my guests and family will enjoy because they can be great conversation starters. And you know, I simply like to have books on the coffee table because on those rare occasions where I can sit down and kick up my feet, those beautiful books are right there and readily available. Style tip number 3, go greenery. Adding greenery to a coffee table instantly livens it up and adds rich color and texture. I like to add both fresh flowers and real plants to my coffee table. Or you can certainly do dried or faux flowers as well. You can get the same effect. Greenery makes the table feel more organic, inviting, and less staged. And it also creates an element on your coffee table that is uniquely you. Style tip number 4, add candles. Everyone loves a great candle, scented or unscented. Placing a candle in the middle of a room on the coffee table can generate a sense of warmth and intimacy and possibly give you some aromatherapy, like that. Perhaps they are tall, tapered candles added for heightened drama. Maybe they've been added to hurricanes, creating more of a structured vibe. Or perhaps they're nestled amongst other decorative elements to help the vignette achieve more balance and symmetry. Styling tip number 5, add architectural elements. Perhaps you're going for a minimalist, less is more vibe. Then try using 1 or 2 large architectural elements on your coffee table. Oftentimes people place their architectural pieces on a stack of books or cluster them with other architectural pieces. If the table itself is an architectural element, you have a couple of options. You could minimize how you accessorize, or you can take it over the top. I've seen it both ways. And at the end of the day, it is your decor, your design style. So you do you. Style tip number 6, weave in a sentimental item. Whether it's a family heirloom or a picture of a treasured moment, incorporating a sentimental element onto your coffee table just adds a special touch. So, a couple of months after my mother passed, I received a package in the mail. What was in the package was a crystal tower with my mother's image embedded in it. 2 of my closest childhood friends sent it to me. For me, that's the most important thing on my coffee table. No matter what else I do, the coffee table is perfect to me. Thank you, Connie and Princess. Whew. Bonus tip. Now you know I like to give bonus tips. And today's bonus tip is don't forget about the second tier on a two-tiered table. A two-tier coffee table offers even more room to show off your favorite accessories. So why have I gone into homes and seen this space left empty? No, no, no. This is a space for you to add more books, bowls, architectural elements, baskets, you name it. Whatever you do, make use of that space. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching today. Hopefully you're now inspired to make your coffee table center stage in your living room. And if you haven't already done so, take a moment to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the section below. This will help me grow my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.